Replacing the LCD screen on the Huawei Nova 7 SE is a delicate process that should be carried out with attention to detail and proper precautions. In this tutorial, we'll be dealing with a device where the screen has already come off completely and the LCD flex cable has been torn into two pieces. This type of damage might seem severe at first glance, but it actually simplifies the repair process. Since the screen is already detached from the frame, there's no need to go through the usual steps of carefully prying it open or worrying about damaging the surrounding components during removal. To begin, you will need to carefully disassemble a portion of the device in order to access and remove the damaged screen. If the existing screen has cracked or shattered glass, it is highly important to wear appropriate eye protection to avoid injury from any sharp fragments. Once the broken screen has been removed, take the time to thoroughly clean the phone's frame, making sure that no dust, glass shards, or adhesive residue remain. Opening your phone may compromise its waterproofing, as it breaks the original seals. Be sure to have replacement adhesive on hand if you plan to restore the seal, or avoid exposing your phone to liquids if reassembling without new adhesive. You may need to apply heat multiple times using a heat gun or hot air blower to adequately warm the device. Just be cautious not to overheat it, as the internal battery can be damaged by excessive heat. Once the back panel feels sufficiently warm, insert or pry up along the edge and carefully slide it along the side to loosen the adhesive. Take your time to avoid the tool slipping out of the seam. If resistance increases, reapply heat or use isopropyl alcohol to help soften the adhesive. permanently installing the new Huawei Nova 7 SE screen, it is strongly recommended to test the replacement part to confirm that it functions correctly. This helps prevent unnecessary rework in case the new screen is faulty. Only after verifying that everything is working properly should you proceed to glue the replacement screen in place, making sure it is properly aligned and securely attached. Thank you for watching. Mega love shout out to all my subscribers and to Board Vlogger. See you next time.